Hi everyone, here are the top 5 signs that your home needs better insulation. Starting with number 1, fluctuating indoor temperatures. If your inside temperature always seems to be fluctuating and there isn't a problem with your heating or cooling system, then insulation that is old, damaged, or shifted out of place is likely the cause. Replacing your old insulation with higher quality insulation is a more effective long-term solution. Number 2, drafts. If your current insulation doesn't do a good job in preventing heat transfer, it's probably going to let drafts as well into your home. If you feel a draft in your home and it's most likely not coming from a window or a door, then it might be a good idea to track down the draft in either a crawl space or your attic. Number 3, high heating and cooling costs. A drafty and poorly insulated home is most likely going to have a higher heating and cooling cost bill than a properly insulated home. Your heating system will have to work hard in the winter, and your air conditioning system is going to have to work hard in the summer. Investing in high quality insulation can save you money in the long run. Number 4, water damage. Any moisture will render insulation completely ineffective. Whether it's drenched or just a bit damp, insulation cannot be salvaged and it must be replaced. Plus, wet insulation can quickly begin to harbor mold, which can pose a health hazard to anybody living in your home. Number 5, pests. Pests making nests or leaving droppings in your insulation can also be a health hazard in your home. If you find that you have rats, mice, or squirrels making nests in your crawl space or in your attic, first thing you're going to need to do is have the problem dealt with before you replace your insulation. And there you have it. Those are the top 5 signs that your home needs better insulation. Now, insulation can cost a lot of money, ranging anywhere between $1 and $5 per square foot. So a 1,500 square foot home could cost anywhere between $1,500 and $7,500. And that can be a lot at one time. But luckily, the Canada Greener Homes Grant has got you covered. Depending on how much area you need insulated, you can receive up to $5,000 in rebates, plus an additional $600 for the required home energy assessment. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to check out other videos about home energy efficiency. And as always, stay cool, my friends.